Guys, today I'm gonna be doing a slime package. Who's calling? Okay, don't mind that. Why are you calling me, Mariana?
Why keep on hanging up?
Because I'm making the video.
You didn't say you're making the video.
Right now I am. Okay, this is a skit. By the way, it's actually Mariana. Say hi. Eating her celery. So,
Kayla?
yeah, we're gonna, no, we're not gonna call Kayla. So we're gonna order, this egg filled with this red putty, and it changed colors to a yellow. So, yeah, let's get started. Hang up, Mariana. Okay, let's get started. Bruh! Hey, is this, the slime person?
Yes, it is. What do you want to order for today?
I want a slime that's gold in it, color changed to rose gold.
Okay, that will be $4, okay?
Wait, sorry, what did you say?
$4.
4?
Yes.
Got it. Okay.
And do you want it in the egg?
Put it in any container.
Okay. Cents, that will be 99 cents and $4.
Wait, did you say that backwards? Because it's $4.99. Okay, have a nice day. Well, when will these package come?
This package will come in about 5 days.
Okay, got it. Bye.
Bye.
The next day. Huh? Oh my god! My package is here! It's been 5 days! I better call Mariana. Look, my package came.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, it's 5 days. I can't wait. So, yeah, let's open this. What? Why? What the heck? I think I wanted to order a 5-gallon. Why is it so tiny? Look how tiny it is, and it's red. I ordered a rose gold. Why is it not changing colors? What the heck? Ew, it's so weird and like so hard. Why? Ew. Ew. It's so stiff, like my hand is hurting. It's like, it doesn't even stick together. Ew, it's so stringy. Oh, ew, ewy, ewy. It doesn't even change color. Let me see if it actually changes color. Change colors to yellow. I didn't order yellow. I didn't even order yellow. What? Why is it orange now? Why is it yellow? I don't know if you can see it, but it's very bad lighting, but yellow. I didn't order yellow. doesn't even do swirls. It's like one of those gums. What? Ew. Ew. It has a piece of hair in it. Oh, ew, it's so gross. It's just sticking all over. Ew. And they so stiff and like, what the heck? Yeah. I will leave this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure you smash that like button. I'll see you all next time, guys. This was a skit, so make sure if I get this to 100 likes, subscribers, whatever, then I'll do a video with Mariana or something. But look at this. It's a red slime that turns into yellow. Woohoo. Really weird. But it's actually a really good slime. Well, it's not even a slime, it's a putty. But bye.